Hey friend, today I'm going to show you how to use Placeit to create a mock-up for your design. Placeit is a fantastic tool for quickly creating professional mock-ups, so let's get started. First, we'll search for Christmas in Placeit's search bar, and it has a variety of templates. Once I see a mock-up that I like, I'm just going to click it and open it up so I can start editing. Now I'll upload my Christmas design for the tree skirt. I just drag and drop my file or select it from my computer. Placeit will automatically fit the design to the template, but I can adjust it and position it until it looks just right. Now, if you want to, you can customize the mock-up to adjust the colors and match your theme or whatever you have going on. Placeit will allow you to tweak everything from the background colors, and it'll give you a truly unique result that fits your brand perfectly. Once everything looks good, you'll let it preview and see the final result. You can check the details and make sure the mock-up looks exactly how you want it. And when you're happy with it, you can click on download. Now, downloading the finished mock-up is real simple. Just click the download button, and as soon as my computer is a little slow, but as soon as it finishes, it's ready to share. Placeit makes it so easy to create mock-ups that look like real high-quality products. And this saves you a lot of money when it comes to getting, because back in the day, you used to have to get professional photos done, and now this helps save you time. And that's it. You have a professional looking Christmas tree skirt mock-up that we have here, and it's ready to go. If you found this helpful, try Placeit for your own designs and let me know how it goes. Happy creating!